3, 2, 1, lift off.
So the G, Kyle the ringer is in the belfry, ringing up Ampolisali, a mastermind of campanology, KTR Kyle the ringer.
What's swinging, guys? It's Carl the Ringer here.
Brad.
Cookie.
And Christchurch Carnforth. We're gonna be seeing Christchurch Carnforth Chime 8 p.m. How excited?
In the evening.
How excited?
17 out of 10.
Cookie?
Don't know.
I'm really excited for it.
Parkour.
Everyone, comment down below if you'd like to see Cookie parkour up and up to the top.
Yeah, comment down below.
And if we get about 10 requests for it, Cookie will do it.
I will. No, I'll probably be better at doing it coming down.
You ready for it, Brad?
Do a few flips and stuff.
It's about to chime. Now you ready? And there we go. So, what are your thoughts on the tubular bells of Christchurch Carnforth chiming then, Brad?
Really nice.
Cookie?
Mellow.
And I say it is amazing. So, everyone, that was the tubular bells chiming 8 p.m. at Christchurch Carnforth. So, if you enjoyed it, please subscribe for future content. And until next time, ring out.
Check it out.
Thank you. You have been watching Kyle the Ringer. Please ring subscribe for future content.